Correctness separates options. It creates disagreement. Disagreement requires judgment. Judgment assigns responsibility. Consensus behaves differently. It aligns many actors around a shared position. Even when imperfect, it reduces friction. Inside systems, friction matters. A correct decision that divides slows execution. A consensual decision, even if flawed, moves forward. From the system's perspective, movement is preferable to debate. Correctness demands explanation. Consensus distributes ownership. When outcomes are questioned, no single actor is exposed. This is why consensus is often favored when stakes are high. Not because accuracy is unimportant, but because disagreement is costly. This is not groupthink by accident. It is a coordination strategy. This is not advice. It is not motivation. It is an explanation of why systems choose agreement over precision.